Hey guys, and welcome to my channel for another video. Yes, your girl just got in from working out. You guys know I love a good workout, so I'm all sweaty, guys. But guys, this what I have to share with you is so enlightening. If I knew this years ago, oh my gosh, I could have saved myself from a lot of headache. So guys, welcome. And if you're new to me, welcome. I'm your girl, Georgette, and I strive to inspire you and to motivate you. I do hope that every video of mine can really do that. And in doing so, we all may just be transformed because I've transformed my life. And so today I'm going to chat real quick with you, and I do hope you enjoy. So please do not subscribe as yet. Please wait until the end. And if I gave you any value, please subscribe, like, share, and please put your notification on as I bring a video every day. I strive to do that. Even some days I don't know what I'm going to bring, but through life experiences, I want to share my every step with you, my every journey with you. And so you know what's going on and how I am progressing. And so today I'm talking about how to get a 3-year-old under control. How to quiet a 3-year-old. How to calm those 3-year-olds. We know those 3-year-olds, right? And so this is something that just transpired. And I want to share that with you because if I had known this many years ago, I have 2 daughters. My daughters are now grown guys. Can you believe it? I have a 24-year-old and I have an 18-year-old. And so I got married very early and had my kids very early. And so at 22, I got married and I had my daughter right away. And so, please don't do the math. And so guys, if only I knew how to, and this is so simple. Yesterday I was talking with someone who has a 3-year-old daughter. And in talking, and we're laughing and we're talking on the phone, and the 3-year-old was just pouting and puffing and didn't want to talk. And her mom said, I said, how do you handle her? And she said, I spank her when she's being rude. And I said, no, don't spank her. She's such a sweetheart. And the mom smiled. And so as we prolong and in talking and, she would put the camera on the 3-year-old and she just had a pouting face. I mean, just pouting and putting the sheet over her head and rolling in the bed. And I started to say, I said, put the camera on her. And I said, you are so sweet. I said, you're such a wonderful little girl. You are so sweet. You are so loving. You are so kind. Guys, it blew me away. Now, I learned these things, and I'm going to leave the link for a step-by-step guide to that. I learned these things that words are very powerful, guys. If you're going to call your kids rude, stubborn, disgusting, and call them all sorts of names, then they're going to be that. You see, when I learned these things, I'm like, wow, I guess I will use it on the next generation in my family. Because we all are guilty of it. We spank. Oh, I was big on spanking. I was big on spanking. I spanked up until my girls were very old. I spanked for everything because I didn't know any better. I was spanked as a kid. If I didn't do the dishes or didn't do what was told, I was spanked. So, wow, it's amazing. The generational curse just continues. Or the blueprint from our parents, and it just goes from generation to generation. And we do the same thing. And that is why reprogramming ourselves, our minds, gaining new habits, learning, be willing to learn something new, because I did not know that words were so powerful, guys. And I'm going to share with you what happened. In talking, we were on the phone for what? Half hour, 45 minutes. And the 3-year-old wasn't pleasant. Was just rolling over in her bed. Her bed is next to her mom's. And she was just rolling over, covering her head, and didn't want to talk to us, you know. And her mom said she's stubborn. I said, no, don't call her the S word. I said, don't call her stubborn. She said, no, I'm only saying that to you. I said, yeah, but don't call her. And she's right there hearing. I said, don't call her the S word. I said, whatever you call her, whatever you see her as, that is exactly what she's going to be. I said, but even in the midst of her pouting, even if she's throwing her toys through the house, just say, thank you for cleaning up your toys. Just keep on putting those words into her. And say, you're so sweet, even when she's pouting and having a tantrum. And guys, let me tell you what transpired within that 45 minutes of us having a conversation. I witnessed this with my 2 eyes. That was so amazing to me. And I know that words are powerful because I use affirmations daily. Right? They're words that I call myself, that I am powerful, that I am strong. Okay? That I am self-reliant. So many words I call myself on a daily basis. In the mornings when I wake up, in the afternoon, and in the evenings going to bed. Because I know that positive words, affirmations, are powerful. And as I said to you, I started to say, put the camera on her. And as she's pouting, I said, you're so sweet. Look at you. You're so calm. You're so precious. I said, oh, you're so precious and sweet and calm. And guys, I kept saying it over and over. I said, you're so sweet. Look at you. Her mom thought I was literally crazy because I started just saying, I said, just keep the camera on me so that she sees me. We were video calling, and I kept saying, you're so sweet. You're so precious. You're so beautiful and a sweet little girl. Look at you. I said, you're so sweet. Guys, do you know that that child, that sweet little girl, started smiling and walked over into her mommy's bed, went under the cover and was smiling. And she started to conversate with me, my daughter here, and we started to conversate. And I said, peekaboo, I see you. And she was smiling. It blew me away. It blew me away that within about 5 minutes of just constantly saying it, and she's hearing me and she's seeing me. And she knows she wasn't being sweet and nice because she was pouting, and she's very smart. Within 5 or less minutes, that sweet little girl changed her state and became the very things that I was calling her. I was calling her, you're so sweet, you're so precious, you're so calm, you're so beautiful, look at your hair. She has braids as well with beads. I said, your hair is so pretty, you're so sweet, you're so calm. And guys, I promise you, within 3 to 5 minutes, she changed her state. She started smiling. She started giggling. She went underneath her mommy. Her mommy was blown away. She went under the covers with her mom, and she was giggling, and we played peekaboo and all of those things. And I looked at her mom. I said, her mom was just shocked. I said, do you see what I mean? I said, I know you don't understand this that I'm telling you, but this link I'm going to leave has step-by-step guide that will teach you powerful words. It's a guide to show you how to get from one state to the next, even you yourself. How, if you're feeling sad and gloomy and stressed, how to change your state. Okay? And so I'm going to leave the link for that guide below, and I'm also going to leave you a free gift below Guys, words are powerful. Affirmations are powerful. And we can do it with little kids. You can do it with babies. You can do it with family members, whether they're near or far, because we're all magnets. If someone is being mean to you, if a co-worker is being mean and disgusting to you, you can say each day as you're going to work, oh, I'm so grateful for my wonderful co-worker, and call her by name. She is so amazing. She's so kind. She's so generous to me. She's so amazing to me. She treats me well each day. We have great conversation. We just have a great environment at work. Words are powerful, and we are magnets. And I was far away. I'm far away from them. And through the video calling and her hearing me saying that she's so sweet, she's so calm, she's so nice, she's so beautiful, she became that very thing, that very person within 3 to 5 minutes. It literally blew me away, but because I know this inner work that I am doing, I know that I have transformed my life with positive affirmations. Because when you look in the physical of what's breaking down around you, and you can say that everything is working out for my highest good, and I am safe, thank you, Lord, and that only great things lies ahead, thank you. And you see things transform, in your life. You see things manifest in your life just from saying positive affirmations daily. You understand that you can change. A person can become whatever you say they are, whatever you perceive them to be, whatever you think of them as being, they will be that. Whether it's your spouse. I remember my mentor, Ariella. She said that many years ago, I think she had a boyfriend, and he never used to give her flowers, and she loves flowers. And she would just kept saying, thank you for the beautiful flowers you sent me. And he thought she was crazy. And she said, I promise you, he started sending me flowers. Guys, this can work in any situation, with your spouse, with a sister, a brother, a parent, your parents, your children, small kids. It works. So guys, try it. If you have a 3-year-old, try it. If you have they call 2-year-olds terrible too. If you have a terrible 2-year-old, try calling them what is it you want them to be. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you're so precious. Oh, thank you for cleaning up your toys. Even if they're throwing those, those building blocks or those, whatever you call them, those toys, they throw them all over the place. Even if they're in the midst of doing it, don't look at what they're doing. Look at what it is that you would like for them to do and call that out of them. Oh, thank you for cleaning up little Johnny. Thank you for cleaning up your toys. You are so sweet. You're so kind. You're so loving. And watch. Guys, I promise you, I wasn't doing this for days or weeks. I did this for 3 to 5 minutes. And the 3-year-old mom was amazed. I was amazed to see the transformation, that at the end of our conversation, she was smiling and she was laughing and she was, peekaboo, I see you. It blew me away. And so guys, without going on and on, I just want to say to you that positive words we call affirmations, they are powerful. Whatever you perceive yourself to be and others, that is exactly what they will be. So guys, I do hope that you gain some value from this video. And so go ahead now and start saying your affirmations. Start calling things out of people that you desire from them. Yes. So guys, I think it's time for you to subscribe. If you haven't, please smash in on the subscribe, like, and guys, you can share it. A lot of people have little kids and don't know how to deal with little kids and are frustrated, so please share. If you know someone with a 3-year-old, a 2-year-old, a young baby who's having troubles with family members, share so that they can see that they can call out all great things in those persons. And so I will leave the link for the step-by-step guide for that, and I'll leave a free gift as well in another link below. So I thank you so much. Keep watching the videos on my channel. They'll be popping up, and I see you on the next one. Take care. Much love. It's your girl, Georgette. Bye-bye. Mwah, guys. Love you.